Hi guys, Christina Blue with the Blue Real Estate Group. I have a homeowner tip, something that you most likely do not really think of, and that is your roof. Most people don't think of your roof until there's a problem. So a really good tip is to have a roof inspection done professionally once a year. They come, they take a look, and they can see if there's any problems that could be arising, any broken shingles or any room for holes. One thing that you can do on your own is, a couple things actually that you can do on your own, is to go into your attic and look for any water damage. Let's say after a big rain, or even if there hasn't been any rain, you can kind of look to see if there's any signs of water damage, any discoloration. Another thing you can do is wash your roof. Washing your roof will remove any excess tiles or anything like that that's broken, and you'll know ahead of time. Also, clean out your gutters. That's something we all forget about. Clean out your gutters, because when it rains, that water's just sitting there pooling, and that's rising up and it's affecting your roof.